Denver, Colorado for the Veterans Creative Festival. So they got a whole week of plan for us, everything that they have to do. So I want to take you all along with it, kind of check out some of the stuff, see some of the artwork, see some of the great things that are being done. Maybe we'll check out a little bit of Denver, Colorado while we're at it. So let's go.
Yeah, what the deal is? Wonder why them thoughts about us still appealing. Wonder why your boy still caught up in his feelings. Wanna trade these inner demons for some dollars, maybe feel him. Yeah, so I talk to God and hope she hear him. Wanna know exactly who that man up in the mirrors. Feel like they judge him on appearance, not his merit. Yeah, but he ain't gonna want the man since he embarrassed. Cause he know that she gonna tell him he wrong. And it's just 2 hours till dawn. And he gotta just keep holding on and keeping his head up is strong. And know that it ain't gonna be long. He exactly where he belong. And if he can go on and find himself, he gon' find his way.
Don't turn up the light, won't you stay? Don't fade away. It'll be alright, won't you stay? We'll find our way home.
Yeah, so dedicated to the ones that feel alone, that ain't no one gonna hear what they've been saying. Yeah, and I've been relating, cause I felt the same myself, thinking that ain't no one gonna come around when you're yelling for help. So they just, yeah, so to write that down, swear to God, knowing they raw with poems, hating on the world, thinking that'll show 'em. Yeah, so they walk them halls, get they all just hiding their tears. Underneath them smiles, they've been crying for years, and they keep that